Y'all shop with Pie, man. She'll hook you up with a vending machine, hair, whatever. She got it.
Good morning, y'all. I am on the way to sell a vending machine, and y'all, it is so early. Like the sun, I don't even think the sun is all the way up yet, but it's like I think it's like almost 7 o'clock. 7 o'clock in the morning, and I'm on the way to sell vending machines. If you don't know, well now you know that I do sell them, and they are available. You can get a snack or my bad, I got a notification. You can get a snack machine or a drink machine. So if you want a vending machine, just comment down below and like we can set some up. And there is a cost, but the cost is not that much because vending machines range from like $3,000 to $5,000, and I don't sell it for that much. You know, cause I'm going to pick up his machine. Gotta get him right. Put your snacks up there, and your money on this side, so you'll find like your ones and stuff, and then your coin will drop in here.
Make sure you don't come out. Y'all shop with Pie, man. She'll hook you up with a vending machine, hair, whatever. She got it.
Big. Get you a vending machine, y'all. Right now we is in the process of trying to tie it down so it won't come off the truck. I have snack and drink machines available. I'm in here getting some snacks and stuff for my vending machines. If you can guess what store I'm in, I'll cash up you $5. So like, comment down below what grocery store you think I'm in. Oh, okay. Yeah, I got a notification. And I'll be looking and it was distracting me about what I was talking about. Okay, I'm trying to find the snacks. It should be down this aisle. Excuse me. How are you doing?
I'm good.
I'm doing well. Uh-oh. I'm trying to figure out what I want to put in there. I know like they like the little cookies and shit. So, and I'm definitely out of those. What y'all think? The Rice Krispies, Pop-Tarts. They ain't really mess with the Pop-Tarts. Oh my gosh, I don't twist my hair. How I don't install, y'all? I did it myself. My cousin plucked it out. I cannot pluck for nothing, like, at all. I'm gonna get some snacks. Y'all still ain't commenting what store y'all think I'm in, which is pretty obvious. I got the color on. That's crazy. I got the color on that whatever store I'm in. Okay, here we go. Really don't need no more chips though. I need like some Chips Ahoy cookies, some Teddy Grahams. They love the grandma cookies. I gotta get some grandma cookies. Yeah, I'm in love with my hair. I'm gonna go live later on Facebook or Instagram because I gotta sell some hair I got on hand. I really don't promote the hair I got on hand because I like to recommend everyone to go to the website. Yeah, this woman it feels like I'm talking to myself, but I'm talking to y'all. So it's like, you know. Okay, I'm getting off so much because Kroger didn't have much, so they're gonna have to fuck with the cheeses, nutty butters, and the Chips Ahoy cookies. And I'm buying some more chips for a while, y'all. I don't know. I really need to stop buying chips. Y'all should see my house. It's full of chips. And you know, please get the chin bag. One of the ones, you know what I'm saying? This is what I do. So, like, I make the money from the vending machine, and then I take a portion of it out to restock. So, I make money, and then I have money to restock and stuff. This light is feeling really good. It's a beautiful day outside. If you ain't doing anything, go outside, do something productive with your life. I don't want to get like that. Oh yeah, make sure y'all shop area extensions. The description is gonna be down below. So I'm gonna show y'all where I got my vending machines. I got it at Fudge Shop. There go Fudge. What up, fam?
What's good?
Y'all need to get out and this a businessman right here. So these are my machines right here, and I'm finna fill up the snack machines because the drink machines are already filled. You looking like, what? Is she gonna come on? But I'm not trying to hit this car. Yeah, I needed the car wash. Y'all should see how junky my car is. I'm not finna show how junky it is though, but it's very junky. And it's dirty. Look at the window. Like that shit trashy. Look at that window. Y'all can see how dirty it is. I ain't washed my car in like 4 weeks, and that's terrible. But I'm gonna go ahead and end this video, so make sure y'all like, comment, and subscribe, and I will be dropping a video every day. So every single day y'all's gonna get something. So make sure you are subscribing, make sure you are liking, make sure you're commenting, and I'm finna see who commented down below to see what store I was at, so I can cash you your $5.